competitors. He said, okay, what if I start selling the duplicate medicine? What is the vulnerability? What is the weakness in your application? What can I do so that any medicine they will verify it says authenticated? Matt said, I have implemented a software in the code. And he resigned and gone, and he joined the different ventures where he has been selected as a site directors and he is earning in dollars. This company is in problem. Okay, because your product has gone through the quality check, but your application has not gone through the quality check. So there is something called secure code review. Please note down. It is called source code review. Source code review in your software development phase. Okay. So quality is not just handling your product quality, but you are handling the operations quality and the security quality also. So what you did, you asked, okay, share me the report. The person who is trained like me, I'm a source code reviewer. I can see, I can check whether Matt has used the correct code or he has used antivirus code. I started checking one, and believe me, it's a very tedious work. Okay, it takes almost 50 hours to just scan the codes and read one by one code. Okay, it's a very expensive affair. I found, okay, this guy has done this thing. Okay, so this is a process in a company nowadays. When you develop an applications, it's a mobile-based applications or web-based application. Mobile-based, which you are downloading from the Play Store, Apple Store, Google Store. Web application is directly you're typing in the Google Chrome. Okay, and the page is opening. Like we use Teams, it is a web-based and it's mobile-based also. So the security team needs to ensure it is not ready for the usage by the common people out of the organization until all the codes are scanned by the security team. Security team provides the approval. Okay, please go ahead and start using that. So what happens? I gave the approval. Okay, the software is good to go. We do not directly implement in the market. We do not get into the Google store or Apple store. We test on 5 to 10 systems in the organizations. This phase is known as user acceptance testing, UAT. Please note down. User acceptance testing.
It's like validation, right?
That is correct.
Okay.
So you're within the organization, 5 or 10 people are checking whether the software is actually working what we designed. We designed to validate the barcode. Is it just scanning the barcode or it is saying the production unit names and making the organization vulnerable? Okay, they're checking. Okay, that's fine. Security review done. Okay, implement. Implemented in the market. Okay. So your product has gone through the quality check. Your process has gone through the check. The security has also gone through the check. No room for any kind of vulnerabilities. No room to breach any quality anywhere. Now, once we have designed these things, how the organization will get to know what to do. You, in a quality manager, you are writing in the quality policy that anybody who is a new hire, they need to work for 6 months under the supervision. Then they will go for the peer-to-peer review. Then there will be a quality check team who is ensuring the people are making the right ingredients to generate that, to manufacture the pharmaceutical or medicines. Okay, and that medicine, the medical equipment being used, are they also ISO certified? Okay, there is another certification for medical equipments. Then this is called infusion of ISO 9001 with the medical equipment ISO. Okay, when you are binding these quality parameters with the security and quality and the ISO medical field, then you are making your organization compliant from everywhere, and then you're asking the training team to provide the training, generate the log, share the log with the top management that they are actually working. Now, how the training log looks like, I don't know whether you have seen or not. One second. Okay. Okay, how will you do the quality audit to ensure those people who have working? Okay, let's say there is a data privacy training. Okay. Second is this is the headcount report. Okay, so you send an email to recruitment team. Okay, send me the list how many people have joined the organization in a year. Like your audit takes place for a year. Let's say if your audit period is June to June or December to December, you will send an email to recruiters. Okay, they will, okay, Miss Michelle is this, and their date of joining DOJ is this. Okay, say, okay, there are 300, more than 300 people who have joined the training organization. You send an email to their, okay, so our organization is going through an audit. The audit period, okay, what is audit period, team? We will be selecting the data. We cannot do the audit training audit before July 23. That has been decided by your auditing committee. Okay, the top management who is dealing into the, or if you want to write down, you can please write down. Audit period is decided by the management. Okay, time where it confirms the time frame for which, where it confirms the time for which we will do the audit within that time frame. Okay, so you are not going to ask the training team or the recruitment team, please send me that of January. Because your audit period is June to June. Okay, now you got the number of people who have joined the organization from June to June 20. And it is always a backdated. Okay, oh sorry. So it is, if you're June 23 to 24, you may be conducting the audit in July 24. Okay, so you are selecting 1 year data. Now you got the recruitment team, got the training team data. Now it is your time to validate. So you have got 2 reports: headcount report, training completion report. Now you just did it. Okay. So once they generate the report, admin team, training, this is that system time when they have gone through the LMS system, learning management, they have pulled the data, they selected the data from data 23 to July 24 because you asked the team to share the data from July 23 to July 24. Okay. They selected the data, they generated the report. It says you have requested in September. The team has requested the generated the report. It means you are doing the audit in the month of September. The training team has selected the date range, July 23 to 24. Import to Excel. They imported to Excel. So apart from, you already have the date of joining. And now it says training completion date. Okay, when this people did that training in 2025. Okay. Where they were supposed to do within a year. So date of joining is July 23. They are supposed to complete the training before
24.
July 24, right? Within a year. But people have completed the training on in February 25. Can you see this?
Uh-huh.
So organization has shared the report where it says people have got the, okay. There are people who have not completed also, but a deadline, isn't it?
Hmm.
It means the organization is when the people are not compliant. The process of training is happening. Training team is asking to do the training, but there is no quality or monitoring completion. When they saw there is an auditor who is coming up, they said, okay, the auditor is coming, please complete the training, please complete the training. But these people are...
It's real life.
It happens, right? And they complain and they forget that it is going to capture the time. Now you found there is a gap in that training. Now, why there is a gap in the training? Why in my experience of 20 years of auditing and training, 95 to 97%, the gap comes only when the person does not be. There is an awareness issue. So tell them it is not just the training. People say, I am aware of the process. Okay. I don't have time. They're not aware. 7, 8,000, 10,000, 20,000 US dollar. Organization will lose their reputation in the market. There is a problem in the share market. So the first line of defense of the employees.